Hi, this is Praveen Amineni. My channel name is ServiceNow Learn Easy by Praveen Amineni. Today I am going to discuss about the ITOM opportunities in current trend. So currently, ITOM opportunities are growing very fast in the ServiceNow market. I updated my Naukri profile with ITOM skills like Discovery, CMDB, mid-server, event management, and service mapping. So because of this highest demand, my profile achieved more than 5,400 such appearances and around 259 recruiter actions within 10 days, but it's showing as 90 days. I uploaded in the 14th May. So till now, I received more than daily 15 to 20 calls. So recruiters are actively searching for ITOM professionals because many companies are implementing infrastructure monitoring. Infrastructure monitoring, cloud discovery, and CMDB projects. Especially after learning ITM concepts and updating the profile with the right keywords, I started receiving 15 to 20 recruiter calls regularly. This clearly shows that ITM has excellent career opportunities, high market demand, and strong future growth in service now. So it has the keywords recruiter search for the here item 250 times and service now developer 208 times. For service now 187 times, CMDB 171 times, ITSM 164 times. Here my activity level is high. Highest activity level gets you more attention from recruiters. And here my profile matching is 100%. Profile completeness is 100%. This is my profile. Currently I am working with HCL. These are the notifications. So nowadays ITSM is along with ITSM, we should learn ITOM or HRST or other tools, GRC, strategic portfolio management. That's best way. So ITSM is now mostly replaced with the AI, but ITOM and other modules won't replace because service catalog will be automated with the AI. Incident management will automate with the AI, but ITOM should be compatible with the AI. So more opportunities are there. There is no impact on the AI. So AI will increase the opportunities for the service now. So don't bother about AI. If you need any coaching or guidance, please contact me or comment in the comment section. Thank you. Wish you all the best.